Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Not to watch out for it. So let's take a look at Tesla for this week. We would want to know where this Tesla would move for this week. Now, let's start with this movement from 2020. I want you guys to pay attention so we would understand this movement. You can see this during this 2020 Tesla kind of give us a bullish move. Basically, most of our stocks actually give us that bullish move. You can see Nasdaq Nasdaq 100, S&P 500. Majority of our stocks actually went up, right? Even natural gas, WTI, they all went bullish. During that lockdown, right? There was a lot of money to invest and everything. So most of these stocks actually went up. So this movement started, let's say 2020, right? Say late 2021 or early 2022. That is last year. Let's just say early last year, right? This market started giving us a bearish move. So basically, majority of all our stocks were actually dropping. You can even see it on your Nasdaq. You can also see it on your S&P. The majority of all these stocks were actually have been giving us a bearish move, right? So see now, market has not even corrected itself, right? Our market is still dropping. Will I say that? Will I say that is very unfortunate, right? So price has been dropping. So we can now say that the trend for this Tesla is actually a bearish move. That is one. Secondly, we would add this 10 period simple moving average to guide us. Now, once this price is trading below the 10 period simple moving average, then clearly we know that that is a sell movement. We all know that we should look for an opportunity to go ahead and sell on Tesla, right? But if it is trading above it, then we can say that is a buy bullish move. So you can see it previously, it was giving us a bullish move, trading above this 10 period moving average. But now this price is now dropping and it is now trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So that is an indication that this price is on a bearish move. So let's take a look at this Tesla. Start from here. Let's start this movement from here. So we will take a look at this to be impulse move and take here to be a correction on Tesla. So we will see this to be an impulse move again that broke this previous lows, and now this will be taken as a correction, and this is an impulse move. So what we are here is that we will be expecting a correction. You might continue to see Tesla to drop, but I personally, this is my own observation, and I'm telling you that what I am seeing is that a pullback, especially technically, we should have a pullback that will give us a bullish move. And if you see of late, some news is starting to come out positive. But anyway, this Tesla, right, I want to see a pullback, then you will continue that bearish move. Above all, this I'm trying to say that this market is still bearish, right? That price will still drop more, but I don't think this pullback that is being made here is over. I'm not trying to say that it is not over. There's every possibility it is over. There's every possibility it is not over. But I personally would want to see it maybe get to a level of 130. Currently Tesla is trading at 112. Let me see if that pullback will give us, or that pullback which will be bullish should get to a level of maybe 130, 135. Then this Tesla can now start dropping. That is technically so. Since we actually 2 weeks ago we actually had a bullish move on Tesla, right? This is the movement. 2 weeks ago we had a bullish move on Tesla. If you take a look at this last week that we did analysis for, we actually had a bearish move. Let's see if this week that you are predicting for Tesla will also close bullish. Let's see if this week Tesla will get to level of 120 or 125. So I'll be watching out for a level of 120, 125 for this week on Tesla. And if it drops, it does not give us that bullish move as a pullback. If it continues to drop, then fine. We would go ahead and take the trade. Like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think. So if price continues to drop, then we would go ahead, and sell with it. But if price eventually starts giving us that bullish move, as we are talking about, maybe then we can also, okay, you can now go ahead and go bullish on this Tesla. We would want to hit it at a level of 1 to 5. So that is it. Tesla, we will be speculating a bullish move, and one of the reasons why I will be expecting a reaction here, especially technically, is that price has once reacted to this level. Now if you follow consistently, you would know that if price have reacted to a particular level previously and price markets gets to that level, we expect markets or price to actually react to that same level again. Now take a look at this. there was, market gave us a reaction at this level, right? So eventually markets came up, right? Then a pullback was made on Tesla. Then a bullish move was made that took out this our previous highs, and a pullback was made. After that pullback was made, then we continue that bullish move. We see that one, two, market has reacted there. That is technically, if you take a look at this level, market is at this same level. So we expect a reaction at this level. So another reason why I personally would be watching out for a bullish move on Tesla. So I would want to watch, get a reaction this week. Now let's see what this daily time frame is now saying. So like I said, before we place our trade, we would want to know the trend. Markets give us three type of movements. A bearish move, that is a downtrend move, and a bullish move, which is an uptrend movement, or a ranging market move. So what we can see here, especially when you zoom it out, you see the full trend itself is a bearish move. Market is dropping. But let's start this moment from here to understand it. I mean, if you're a beginner trader, you know that this itself is kind of like a bearish move. So basically, this is still a bearish move. So now we can start. This price has dropped. Let's see it from here. There was a drop here, and Tesla is kind of giving us like a pullback, which I don't think it is over here, because I see this price dropped, right? So this price is, I want to see actually go bullish this week to take out this previous highs, which is a level of 123. That is one of the reason why I'm saying maybe this week I should expect Tesla to hit 125. Like I said, it is not a must to actually hit it. There's every possibility it will continue to drop. There's every possibility it might not even get to this same level. But let's see if Tesla will give us a bullish move and hit that level of 125. And if not, then we should continue to go bearish. So above all, Tesla is giving us a pullback now. So watch out for this pullback. You can see this pullback at is at is within our 10 period moving average, right? So have that in mind. Now that should take us to the 4 hour time frame. So like I said, we would want to take a trade, right? And we would want to see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. Is this 4 hour time frame ranging? Is it giving us a bullish move, or is it giving us a bearish move? So we clearly can see that this 4 hour time frame is giving us a bearish move. So definitely we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So thereby we would have to go to the 4 hour time frame. We can see that price has rejected this level twice, right? Let's see, maybe price has rejected this level 3 times. We saw price came to this same level, then a rejection was made and went up. Then price dropped again, it rejects from this level, and the price gave us a pullback. We like call it a bullish move, as you may want. And then price dropped again. It reacted to this level by rejecting, and now price is now going bullish. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying let's see if this Tesla will come up, take out this level again. And this level basically is at a level of 123. Previously I said I would want to see this Tesla hit a level of 125. So if in case it even gets to a level of 123, I think, I mean, it's still okay, right? So let's see this Tesla give us a bullish move this week.